Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tub paint is probably one of the most affordable and transformative home improvement projects you can undertake, breathing new life into your bathroom without the hefty price tag of a full replacement. Today, we're diving deep into the world of bathtub paint sprays, exploring the best options on the market and guiding you through the process of selecting the perfect one for your needs, ensuring a flawless and long-lasting finish that will leave your bathroom sparkling. Number 5. Ekopel Pour On Kit. It offers a brilliant gloss finish that revitalizes your bathtub, giving it a new look. This ensures a durable, long-lasting surface for a pristine appearance. It's a safe way to refinish your tub. It's odorless and non-toxic, perfect for indoor use without harming your health. It's built to last. It's engineered to withstand daily use and maintain its shine for years, making it a durable and long-lasting solution. Rejuvenate your bathroom easily. It's a simple pour-on, single-coat application, making it an effortless DIY project. It's made in the USA. This reflects superior craftsmanship and quality, ensuring reliable performance. What we like? It boasts an easy, one-coat application, ensuring a durable finish that lasts. If you value convenience and longevity, this is the perfect choice for your bathroom makeover. It's also odorless, making it ideal for those sensitive to strong chemical smells. What people say? Great finish and look. Relatively easy to do. The paint is beautiful white and hard as a rock. Number 4. NADAMOO Refinishing Kit. This kit has everything you need to refinish your bathtub, tiles, or sink. It's easy to use and will save you money compared to professional refinishing. You'll receive a complete kit including the refinishing compound, hardener, gloves, brushes, rollers, and all the masking materials you'll need. Everything is included for a stress-free project. Simply mix the two parts of the compound and apply it to the surface with the roller or brush. It's that simple. It dries quickly to a semi-gloss finish in just 24 hours. However, for maximum hardness, wait 7 days before using it for hot water. It creates a beautiful, durable finish that will last. This water-based formula has less odor and is perfect for various surfaces. It works on porcelain, ceramic, fiberglass, stone, and plastic. Ideal for tubs, tiles, sinks, and more, in homes or businesses. Each 1 kilogram kit provides enough coverage for approximately 50 square feet, allowing for 2 coats. That's a lot of surface area for one kit. What we like? This kit comes with all necessary tools, simplifying the process. It offers a beautiful semi-gloss finish. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that works on various surfaces, this is your best bet. It's perfect for renters or anyone wanting a hassle-free upgrade. What people say? What a difference. Not only just in smell, this paint is barely noticeable in smell and less smelly than typical wall acrylic paint, but this paint is so much easier to apply than Rust-Oleum. It went on easily and was incredibly smooth. I used a light touch, preferring to use more coats as needed than a messy thick coat. I used 3 coats in total, and allowed 2 hours between coats. The kit provided everything needed, was easy to mix, apply and dry. As other reviews have stated, you have to do the prep work of sanding and cleaning. It does have a semi-gloss finish so can see more texture, however does seem to repel water well. Number 3. DWIL Tub Paint Kit. Give your bathroom a fresh, new look with our easy-to-use kit. It's perfect for updating tubs, tiles, and more. Everything you need is included for a smooth and easy refinishing process, even if you're a beginner. No need for special skills. It works on bathtubs, sinks, countertops, floors, and walls. Transform your bathroom surfaces with ease. Remember, it's not suitable for use on the underside of metal, artificial marble, or peeling surfaces. Please check your surface before applying. Work quickly. You'll need to finish within 1.5 hours of mixing, but it fully cures in 24 hours. Allow 7 days for complete drying before use. It boasts high adhesion, resists flaking and scratches, and cleans easily with a simple wipe. Enjoy a durable, long-lasting finish. This water-based paint has a low odor and low VOCs, making it a healthier choice for your home. Enjoy a fresh-smelling bathroom. What we like. It features a low-odor formula, making it a safe and pleasant DIY project. The kit includes all the tools you'll need. If you prioritize a quick and easy application with minimal smell, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for those who want a fast and efficient bathroom refresh. What people say. Packaging came with a roller, brush, plastic gloves, which were very helpful, tape with plastic attached, very useful, paint, and 2 hardening solution packs. Application went on easily. My first coat was a thin layer. I used the brush on the grout lines and then applied the roller. The difference was very visible. Coating. For my shower tub project, 1 container made 2 full coatings. I actually liked the 2 coatings and Hubs thought it was good enough. But I did see a bit of unevenness in my application in places. I used the second container to liberally apply a thicker 3rd coat. That was exactly what it needed. Number 2. Ekopel Roll On Kit. Say goodbye to old, worn-out tubs. This kit makes refinishing your bathtub easy and affordable, giving it a renewed shine. It's a simple, 2-coat process. The roll-on applicator makes it effortless, even for beginners. Our free step-by-step videos guide you through every stage, from prep to finish. You'll be amazed how easy it is. It only takes 24 hours to cure, and you can use your tub again. Maintain a 72-degree bathroom for the fastest results. It's compatible with porcelain, fiberglass, acrylic, and cast iron surfaces. Refinish your tub, shower, or sink with ease. This kit is perfect for any bathroom. Save money by doing it yourself, whether you're a renter, homeowner, or business owner. It's the most durable formula available, and it's odorless, making the process more pleasant. Get a professional-looking finish that lasts. It's 20 times thicker than other refinishing kits, ensuring a long-lasting result. What we like. This kit offers a user-friendly roll-on application, making it incredibly easy to use. It provides a long-lasting, durable finish. If you prefer a simple application process with expert guidance, this is the one for you. The step-by-step videos make it perfect for beginners. What people say. The more you prep and scrub the surface, the better the results. This seemed the most durable while still being user-friendly. The finish is hard. I let the finish cure for 4 days, and you will need to remove masking tape as soon after the second coat as possible. Number 1. Ekopel Refinishing Kit. Say goodbye to old, worn-out tubs. This kit makes it easy to refinish your bathtub, giving it a fresh, new look. It's made right here in the USA with high-quality materials. You can trust in its durability and performance. Unlike other refinishing products, it's odorless and eco-friendly. You can enjoy a safe and healthy refinishing process. The application process is incredibly simple. Even beginners can achieve professional-looking results. It provides a durable, long-lasting finish that won't peel or chip. It's the most durable tub paint coating available. With proper preparation, it will adhere perfectly and never peel, unlike oil-based paints which are toxic and banned in many states. A convenient touch-up size is available for small repairs and maintenance. It's perfect for keeping your tub looking its best. What we like. It's perfect for quick and easy touch-ups and repairs. It's also eco-friendly and odorless. If you need a simple solution for minor repairs or are environmentally conscious, this is the best option. It's ideal for small fixes and maintaining your tub's appearance. What people say. The more you prep and scrub the surface, the better the results. This product comes with detailed instructions on what to use to prep the surface you are using it for. Put the majority of your time into the prep. It rolls on easily, and there is ample product to cover a much larger surface. This low-odor coating was a dream to apply, covers easily and does not run if you don't apply too much on vertical surfaces. The finish is hard. I let the finish cure for 4 days, and you will need to remove masking tape as soon after the second coat as possible. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.